All right, this brings us to the final progression that I use in my Jishu Keiko with the Makiwara training. So just to review, the first sequence is using your basic strikes, just standing, just using the arm. Now, if we're in a reverse punch position, this is fine. If this is more conducive to the discipline of martial art that you study, or if it's even in a jab position, whatever the demands are for your martial art, whatever the form is, it's fine. Second progression now is shifting and moving your body to hip, moving your body to hip. The important point here when we do this is making sure that our knees are tracking over our feet correctly. The third progression is now employing footwork and using your footwork to do your strikes with. So I'm advancing on my strikes, moving back and going into the next strike, and creating more distance now with those strikes. So let's now look at the fourth progression. This is now creating distance, following the strike, and using leaping in my movement. So from here, I do my strike, and then I jump back. So from here, cover a lot of distance, get my strike, jump. Listo. Push again.